Hello students, hope you all are fine. Yes, and it's really nice to see you all again. Hope you all are healthy and you all are doing your studies. Okay, okay, it's warm welcome to you all again to our classes. Today we will be reading the new chapter. As students, today we will be reading the new chapter from your literature book. The chapter name is The Magical Milestone. The story is really very interesting and good. As students, as in your own life, if you are generous, if you are arrogant, then whatever you are, then you will be getting the same thing, like tit for tat. Like if you are in a kind nature, then you will be given, you will be receiving the kindness in return also. The story is all about the two brothers. They are two real brothers. One is very generous in nature and one is very arrogant in nature. Let's see what the story tells us. This is a story of two brothers. The rich one was selfish and the poor one was very simple and kind nature. Let us read the story. What the story tells us. Once there lived two brothers. The elder was rich while the younger was poor. The elder brother was very selfish and arrogant, but the younger brother was kind-hearted and generous. Arrogant means a person is having very ego. He is not talking to anyone. He is always deep in his richness. Then and the person is a kind-hearted. And generous is kind-hearted. One day, the younger brother's wife said, we don't have anything to eat, dear. We have been starving for the past 2 days. Like starving means hunger. Like they do not have any food to eat and they are living in hunger. How long can we survive like this? The younger brother wife said, we are hunger from the 2 days, and how long we survive like this? Please go and ask your elder brother for some food. She said, please go to your elder brother and ask for some food. And how many days we will be like this? We have not eaten such things from 2 or 3 days. The younger brother knew that his selfish elder brother would not offer him anything, but he did not have any other way out. And he even know that his elder brother will not give anything for eating. But he don't have any other idea apart from this. Then see what happened. So he went to his elder brother's house. Please give me some food, dear brother, he pleaded. The elder brother whispered to his wife, go give him the goat's hoof, which the demon wants. The wife went inside the kitchen and brought the goat's hoof. Giving the hoof to the younger brother, the elder brother said, take this and go to the demon that has the magical milestone. He will give you food. When the younger brother left, now when the younger brother went to his elder brother for begging of the food, then what elder brother did? He asked his wife to give him the hoof that which demon loved to eat. Now see, even he know that, the elder brother know that the hoof is very loved by and demon. Then also he sent his brother to the demon's cave. Then see what happened. Turned to his wife and said, when he goes to ask for the milestone, the demons is sure to kill him. The younger brother took the hoof, thanked his elder brother, and started walking towards the forest where the demon with the magical milestone lived. As elder brother is so much arrogant, so he even don't know that if his younger brother will go to the demon's cave, then demon will eat him. He will be killed by the demon. Then also he asked his younger brother to go and visit to the cave for the milestone. Then see what happened. After a long and tiring journey, the younger brother arrived at the demon's cave. The demon was sitting right at the mouth of the cave. The poor brother saluted the demon and said, "I come from far away, good demon, and bring you this hoof." As the younger brother was a very kind-hearted person, he was very simple. He in his simple and polite way talked to demon that I came from the long journey just for the asking the milestone. The demon was delighted to see the hoof because demon loves the hoofs. In return, I want that milestone, said the poor brother. But what the younger brother said. So now what happened? Now the younger boy, the younger generous boy, now the younger brother, in place of hoof, he is asking in a milestone in place of giving the hoops. Now see, I can't part with that, said the demon. That take silver or gold or even diamond. Here demon is ready to give the silver, gold, even the diamonds also in place of asking hoops. But he is not ready to give the milestone. Well, said the poor brother, I don't want any of these. Give me the milestone if you can, or else I shall take your leave. Then what the younger brother said, if you want to give me the milestone, then give it. Now if you don't want to give me, then let me go, because in place of hoofs I just want the milestone. Then see, the demon wanted the hoof as it was tasty. Finally, he agreed to give away the milestone to the poor brother. This is a magical milestone, said the demon. A wish and then say, grind my milestone. When you have enough and want the milestone to stop, say enough, the work is done. Now now this way they both were agreed to exchange the milestone for hoof for milestone. Now demon told him the trick that how if you want some food, then you wish grind milestone grind. If you have fulfilled your wish, then say enough, the work is done. Now see what happened. Give me food, grind milestone, I said the poor brother. In an instant, the magical milestone laid out many delicious dishes. The poor brother and his wife ate well that day. Enough, the work is done. When they all have done their dinner, they have all eaten the delicious dishes. They wishes the enough, the work is done. Then the milestone stopped his work, said the poor brother, and the milestone stopped grinding. From that day on, the younger brother and his wife were poor, no more left. Magical milestone gave them clothes, scrumptious food, and a big house. One day, the elder brother secretly saw the younger brother using the magical milestone. One day, his elder brother saw that they all are living very happily and they are eating the good foods each and every day. How? What now? See what the elder brother did. overcome with greed, overcome with greed, like he was in a mood of greediness. Then see, he snatched the milestone away from the younger brother and ran to the beach. He put the milestone in the boat and rowed out to the sea, where the fishermen were catching fish and putting them in salt. Now see how it's in the picture given. What the elder brother did, he snatched away the magical milestone, and he took it to the beach in a boat. Then see what happened. So he recalled how his younger brother had recommended the milestone and said, "Give me salt, grind my milestone." The milestone poured out heaps of fine salt. See, it's given in the boat big picture also. However, in his excitement, the elder brother forgot how to stop the milestone. "Stop milestone," he said, because here students, he was in a hurry. He snatched away the milestone from his elder brother and took it to the beach in a boat, and he started walking with the salt. So, but he has forgotten the magical words of to stop the milestone. वो जो है, वो जब उसने उसको जो उसके माइलस्टोन के मैजिकल वर्ड्स थे वो भूल चुका था. देन सी व्हाट हैपेंड. सडनली विद द वेट ऑफ द सॉल्ट द बोट टर्न अपसाइड डाउन एंड द माइलस्टोन sank to the bottom of the sea. So what happened? As much the salt was increased, so what happened now? Salt, because of the salt weight, the boat was turned upside down. See, it's in a picture also. The greedy brother drowned. As for the magical milestone, it is still grinding at the bottom of the sea, pouring out salt, thus making the sea salty. Because because of his excitement and greediness, he has forgotten the magical words of ending how the work after the work has done. Because he has forgotten the magical words how to stop the milestone. Hope you all have understood the hope you all have understood the story. Please go through the story again, read the story. It's really nice story. And if you have any problem, you please discuss with me, students. The story is all about the greediness and kindness. Hope you all have understood. We should always, what the story, moral of the story is, we should always in a kind nature. We should never think of the greediness, because whatever God has given us, we should keep ourselves happy in that only. We should always help others, as the story tells. But the elder brother was very greedy. The both wife and his brother, they both were very very greedy. Their greediness shows they were down in the sea. They were not able to find anything. This way they were very unsuccessful. Now we come to the exercises. We will be doing the exercises. Hope you all have understood the story. Students, now you will be doing the fill in the blanks. Yes. Come to first one. The younger brother was kind-hearted and generous. The second one, after a long and tiring journey, the younger brother arrived at the demon's cave. Third one, the demon was delighted to see the hoof. The demon wanted the hoof as it was magical. The poor brother thanked the demon and carried the magical milestone home to his wife. Okay, now see who said. C1. First one, we don't have anything to eat, dear wife of poor brother. Second one, give him the goat's hoof which the demon wants. It is said by elder brother. In return, I want that milestone. Poor younger brother. Give me food, grind my milestone. It's said by poor younger brother. Please do it in your book, the fill in the blanks and who said. Now come to next page, students. Hope you all are getting. Now come to put a tick on the correct option. The elder brother was rich while the younger brother was poor. The second one, the demon in the forest had a magical milestone. The demon wanted the hoof as it was tasty. The milestone gave the poor brother and his wife. It's A and B. In the end, the greedy brother drowned. B1 is the correct answer. As students, I want to tell you one correction. Please, students, come to page number 13. Please correct this line. The demon wanted the hoof as it was tasty. Cut magical word and write in place of magical. It's tasty. Hoof as it was tasty. Because demon loves to eat non-veg and hoofs. Please make this correction in your book. It is misprinted. Hoof as it was tasty. Hope you all have understood the story. Go through the reading and write the difficult words and word meanings in your copy. And this story is really nice. Okay, thank you for the day. Have a good day, students. Yes, have a good day. Take care. Have fun.